first of all, I wanna thank you all for attending this momentous event. So, for those who have given their time and their effort to make this event happen, I thank you all. I don't think I have to enumerate those people. I guess they know who they are, especially my family, my relatives, my mommy, of course. He's the master of everything. My friends also for giving their time to come here, and for my friends who has given a dance number. Thank you so much for the effort, despite of the very hectic schedules, because this week is our exam week for our finals. They still have the time to attend the practices every night from 7 to 11 p.m. and then the next day school day na po siya. So basta I appreciate everything, the celebration. I'm so flattered. I'm speechless. Thank you Sanan, for the gift. I want to say thank you also for my for my beautiful gown by Eliza Salino. It's also beautiful. And my makeup artist and the choreographer, makeup artist Michelle and Company, and also the choreographer, Fabs. Thank you, Junkayo. This won't happen without you, everyone, without you people. Thank you so much. And also, the host, who's been talking for a long time, the speaker of the event, Mr. Edward Mira, who's also my speech teacher during high school, and also a very close friend of mine. And very wow band, the Palomares band, of course. Thank you so much for being here. For all my relatives, friends, thank you so much. That's all. And also Yvonne for giving a very enticing number. Rihanna, take a bow. Thank you.